off now. Don't make me take it off, boy. Now I got my belt on underneath my skirt.
That's not what I'm trying to tune.
Here, try getting in here, because it's not really a contest.
I hope it's about $100.
Oh, I don't think so. It's, that's my good-looking husband.
Guitar. Play your guitar.
Can I do it now, Shane?
You should bring your guitar.
Bring your guitar there.
Oh my God. You
You actually